Hey, what's going on everyone? Dr. Jason here, and at 416 Dentistry, we are passionate about dentistry, and we are trying to redefine the dental experience here in Toronto. Dentistry is constantly evolving and advancing, and at 416, we are all about incorporating modern technology that we see from all around the world here in our dental studio. Since our inauguration last year, we have incorporated intraoral scanners as part of our digital dentistry workflow, and it has been an absolute game changer. It has helped us elevate the patient experience here at 416 Dentistry, since majority of the times, we don't have to take those goopy impressions anymore that everybody hates. So we've been thinking, how do we take our digital dentistry workflow to that next level? And the most logical next step would be in-office additive manufacturing via 3D printing. With 3D printing technology, the potential applications seem endless. From diagnostic models, ortho models, surgical guides, occlusal splints, digital dentures, temporary restorations, to name a few. And as these resins advance, there are going to be so much more applications in dentistry in the future. As a dentist with a special interest in aesthetic dentistry, where I'm fascinated using this technology is with smile design and mock-ups, so my patients can test drive their new smiles. So in this video, we will be unboxing and introducing to all of you the newest technology that we have here at our dental studio. We've been able to get our hands on the Accufab-4LK high-resolution, high-precision resin 3D printer using LED technology from Shining 3D. Shining 3D has been around since 2004. They focused on research and development, manufacturing, and the application of high-precision 3D digital products. So Shining 3D has been recently making a splash in the dental industry with a lineup of different products. Today we have the 3D printer, curing unit, as well as various resins used for different dental applications. So I'm excited to open up these boxes and show all of you what we got inside. So this stuff is pretty heavy. I'm gonna move this box here on the ground. All right, there. Let's move that there. And then we're gonna focus on this box here. This box has the actual 3D printer. So let's open this up here. All right, so there are some instructions here. You can see that there. And I'm just gonna put this down right there. And let's open this up. So this is really all nicely packaged. I'm gonna put that on the ground here. Put these plastic pieces away, that away. And so we have a power cord here. Don't know if this is in frame, hopefully it is. We have a few little tools, Allen wrench, a few screws. So I'm gonna put that off to the side, don't wanna lose that. But I'm gonna just lift this all up. Put that off to the side. All right, wow, this is cool. So there's a box here with the resin tank. So I'm just gonna show all of you that there. So it comes with one resin tank here. Okay, let's open this up just to show everybody here. So the resin tank has this foam. Okay, I'm gonna lift that up here. Just gonna toss that off to the side. And here. So here is the resin tank. Hope this is in, I'll take this off too. So you can see here, has some instructions on the top here. I am not gonna open this up. I'm gonna put this back in the bag here and back in the box. Give me a second. All right, so put that off to the side. And here's the 3D printer. So this looks pretty heavy. So I'm actually gonna move this box down to the floor and then put the printer on this little table or bench here. So give me a second. All right. More foam, just give me a moment. I know I'm kind of out of frame here, but this thing is heavy. Oh man, oh goodness. All right, that's super cool. All right, so we have the 3D printer here. I don't know how much of this you can all see. But I'm just gonna open up the packaging here in this bag. And this thing's pretty hefty. All right. I'm just gonna lift this up here. Oh, don't wanna do that. And move this plastic bag out of the way. So you can all see the 3D printer. There we go. So here you go here. It looks really aesthetic here. It has the shining 3D logo in the front. And I'm not gonna play around with it too much, but you can see here that, yeah, very sleek, really modern. And this is gonna go really well in our lab with all the other equipment there. I'm gonna now move this over to the side here. Okay, and oh, that's stable. And let's open up the other box that it came with here. And so in the other box, we have another resin tank here. Another one of those resin tanks here, as well as one last resin tank. So I got here 4 in total. I'm just gonna put that off to the side here. And there's another box here. Has the shining 3D logo here. And this is a whole bunch of resins used for various dental applications. So let's take a look. We have surgical guide resin. Maybe I'll just open one so you guys can take a look and see how this looks here. So here we have a surgical guide resin, shining 3D, has some information at the back. But we'll open that up later. I'm gonna put that back inside so I don't misplace anything. And then we have another one of the surgical guide resins. We have tray resins for impression trays. And we have ortho model resin. I think this is just more ortho model resin and more ortho model resin. So 6 bottles of resin in total here. I'm just gonna put that off to the side. And last but not least, it is the Fab-Cure, again from Shining 3D. Let's quickly open this up here so I can show you guys what's inside. All right, just put this away. So again, all nicely packed here. We have some instructions, a power adapter, little Lazy Susan sort of table here. Put that here for now. And I'll put that on the floor. And I'm gonna wiggle this out here. Not coming out, so I'm gonna take out the foam first. That could be helpful. Take that out. Take that out. And then, there we go. Put that on here. All right. So it's a really nice curing unit here. It looks very Apple-esque actually. It's just super cool. It'll match the aesthetic in the demo lab here. But here we have the Fab-Cure. So pretty straightforward.
I'm really excited to be incorporating this 3D printing technology. Additive technology seems to have a whole plethora of different dental applications, and as these resins advance over time, the possibilities are honestly truly endless. So thanks again for watching. We'll be going over some in-depth usage of the 3D printing technology here at 416, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. Thanks again, everybody, and see y'all later. Peace.